Sheltered housing is accommodation available for anyone over the age of 60. James Court is a small, friendly complex with 23 properties, 18 one-bedroom flats and 5 studios. The building is built over 2 floors with a lift available to take you to the first floor. There is also a flat base lift outside so everyone can access the patio area safely. The benefits of living in sheltered housing is that you can live very independently, knowing that you're surrounded by a number of other residents who are in a similar position, and you can interact with them should you choose to do so. All the flats have pull cords for your safety, and the housing support officer is on hand to report any repairs you may have in your home. People can live independently, knowing there is support there should they need it. There is a lovely lounge which looks onto our patio area and takes in views of the stunning scenery Highland Perthshire has to offer. The lounge is utilised a lot and hosts a variety of activities and events throughout the year, and everyone is welcome to attend should they wish to.
My name's Pamela McLean and I stay in James Court. Living here is wonderful. You can have your privacy if you want, or you can join in activities down in the lounge area. Well, the fact that you've got other people on your doorstep, that if you need help, they're there to help you. It is really great to live here, and I enjoy it very much.
Should you require any further information, please do not hesitate to check out the website.